In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your very own OneDrive account. If you're ready to dive into the world of cloud storage and get organized, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the whole process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever one you feel most comfortable with. Once you've done that, it's time to head to Google. We'll be using a Google search to locate the OneDrive Sign Up page. So, head over to Google's home page, type Microsoft OneDrive into the search bar, and hit enter. A list of search results will appear, but don't worry, you won't have to comb through all of them. You're looking specifically for the result titled Personal Cloud Storage, Microsoft OneDrive. Once you've spotted that, go ahead and click on it. This link will take you directly to the official OneDrive page, the portal Microsoft has set up for individuals like you who are looking to store files seamlessly in the cloud. Now that you're on the OneDrive page, keep an eye out for a button that says Create a Free Account. Clicking this button is crucial because it's your gateway to obtaining a OneDrive account at no cost, provided you stick with the basic plan. Once you click Create a Free Account, you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Here, you're prompted to create a Microsoft account, which is necessary if you want to use OneDrive. If you already have an existing Microsoft account, such as one from Outlook or Xbox, you can simply sign in with that. But for those of you who are setting up a brand new account, you'll want to click on the option to create one. This will bring you to a form where you'll start the process by entering an email address you'd like to associate with your new OneDrive account. After entering your email, you're going to click on Next. Doing this will prompt you to enter more details, starting with choosing a password. When creating your password, ensure it's strong and secure to keep your files protected. This password is essentially the key to accessing your files on OneDrive, so it should be memorable yet difficult for others to guess. Once you've entered all the required information and chosen your password, proceed through any additional steps Microsoft may require. This could include verifying your email address or entering a CAPTCHA to confirm that you're not a robot. Once you've completed these steps, congratulations! You've successfully created your Microsoft OneDrive account. You can now start uploading documents, photos, and other files to your personal cloud storage. OneDrive allows you to access your files from anywhere, whether it's your laptop at home, a computer at work, or your smartphone when you're on the go. It's a robust platform that goes beyond just storage. You can share files with others, collaborate in real time, and even edit documents without downloading them. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Office Online, enabling you to work on Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files straight from your browser. And there you have it, you're all set to explore and make the most of Microsoft OneDrive's powerful features. Thanks for following along with this tutorial.